Here's number 52. So here is the K value for water. So water dissociates a little bit, but remember, it doesn't dissociate very much. So if you have a solution of water, which really is 55 molar, 55 moles of water per liter of water, you only end up with those molarities. Remember, those are really tiny molarities. So there's not much for H plus ions or for OH negative ions in a solution of water. So at 25 degrees Celsius, the K value is that for water. As temperature goes up, the K value gets a little bit bigger. It goes from 1 to 2.9, still times 10 to the negative 14th. So that does change things a little bit. Now, letter A wants to know what is the concentration of H plus and OH negative in pure water at 40 degrees Celsius. So remember, the Kw of water equals the concentration of H plus times concentration of OH negative over nothing, because water is a liquid. These are both aqueous. So we can go 2.92 times 10 to the negative 14th equals, put an x in for each of those, x squared, take the square root, x, which would be your concentration of H plus, and your concentration of OH negative, those would still be equal. So it's still considered neutral, equals 1.71 times 10 to the negative 7th molar. There's letter A. Letter B wants to know what would the pH be of the water. So letter B, pH equals negative log of your concentration H plus, and this is your concentration H plus. So negative log of that value, 1.7, my fault, 1.71, that is your concentration. So about 6.77, so the pH is a little bit lower. Letter C wants to know if the concentration of OH negative is 0.1 molar, what is the pH at that? So if this is 0.1 molar, we usually just deal with this K value, but in this case we'd go Kw equals concentration H plus times concentration OH negative, which we know is 0.1 molar. Divide this by 0.1 molar. So our concentration of H plus is 2.92 times 10 to the negative 13th power. And then it wants to know the pH. So we can go negative log of negative log of 2.92 times 10 to the negative 13th. And our pH in that case is 12.54, which makes sense since we have much higher concentration of OH negative than we do of H plus. We generally just deal with Kw at that value there.